We're here at the Bushcraft Show, having a great time. I'll show you around. Yeah, I recommend anybody who's into wild camping, bushcrafting, just this whole sort of outdoors community, and get yourself down here next year. It's been a brilliant weekend, loads to do and see, far too much kit to buy. Make sure you bring a big wallet. I can literally spend thousands here. But yeah, it's just been awesome, just meeting people and yeah, just being part of the scene really. So I will show you what's been happening all weekend. Been blessed with some good weather as well. We are forecast some thunderstorms later. We'll see if that materialises. And yeah, enjoy folks. We have sunshine, people. Oh, that is beautiful. No trace folks, that goes for festivals as well. I'll catch you on the next camping video for sure. Take care.